If your clone doesn't know your business, it's just guessing. Let's fix that in under 2 minutes. A knowledge base is what grounds your clone in your real documents, processes, and customer history. This is one of the first things you should do after creating your clone and enabling its skills. You only need a few trusted documents to start. Open the clone you want to train. Then click the Knowledge tab in the top navigation. This is the workspace where you manage everything your clone can search and use. On the left, you'll see the knowledge tree, starting with Clone Root. Now click Plus New, then choose New Knowledge Base. Give it a clear, practical name based on its job. Company Docs, Product FAQs, or Customer Onboarding all work. Keep the name obvious because this is the home for information your clone will need repeatedly. Next, open your new knowledge base and click Plus New again. Choose File Upload for individual documents or Folder Upload if you already have a clean collection ready to go. Start with quality, not quantity. Upload the current documents your team references most: a product FAQ, an SOP, a product sheet, or a customer onboarding checklist. Don't dump every old file you have into it. Stale, duplicate, or conflicting documents create worse answers, not better ones. As your files land, use the table to confirm they're there. You'll see name, type, size, status, and added. If you're uploading a larger library, use New Folder to keep things organized by topic, like FAQs, SOPs, and product. But here's the checkpoint that matters. Watch the status column. Your files need to show the green indexed badge before your clone can reliably retrieve them. No indexed badge? Don't test yet. Once they're indexed, go to chat and ask one precise question that your uploaded document should answer. For example, according to the customer onboarding checklist, what are the first 3 steps for a new admin? If the response matches the checklist and points back to the right source, you're live. Your clone is now working from your real information, not just general training data. That's it. Create the knowledge base, upload your best core documents, confirm indexed, and test it with a specific question. Go set up your first knowledge base right now.